The HR department of a company might want to know the number of birthdays in a particular month. We have list of birthdays in column A. We have numerical equivalent of months in column B. 1 for January, 2 for February, and so on. To count the number of birthdays in a month, use this formula. Month function extracts the numerical equivalent of a month from a date. These numbers are then compared to the numerical equivalent of the required month and an array of true/false is returned. Sum only works with numbers, not text or booleans, so multiply by 1 to convert true/false values to ones and zeros. You can also use two minus signs to change true and false to 1 and 0. The sum function counts the number of ones, which gives the number of dates which fall in that month. We have 3 birthdays in John, so the function returns 3 when 1 is passed as month. Feb has 1 birthday. You can also use sum product function instead of sum. When you use an empty cell in date functions, it will return January 0, 1900. It's not a real date, of course, but Excel considers it to be in January. We have 2 empty cells in the range. We have 3 birthdays in Jan, but we get the result as 5. To avoid this, use an if condition to return a 0 if the cell is empty. See the formula with the if condition. Now we get the correct count 3. You can also use the sum or sum product and text function to find out the number of birthdays in a particular month. Text function can extract the corresponding month from an Excel date. When the range A2 to A13 is used inside text function, the expression evaluates to an array of months. How the month is returned depends on the format text argument. When we use 4Ms, full month is returned. We have the list of months in column B. Then the array of months are compared to January in A2 to produce an array of true and false values. Use double negative sign to convert true and false to 0 and 1. Finally, sum or sum product function will return the sum of values in the array, which is 3 in this case. You can use different format text to format month in different formats. 3Ms returns short month, example Jan, Feb, etc. 2Ms returns 2-digit numerical equivalent of month, for example 01 for Jan, 02 for Feb, etc. M returns numerical equivalent of month without padded 0, example 1 for Jan, 2 for Feb. Based on format text, change the values in the month column. To download example Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.